Welcome to my review of Landbot.io, a chatbot platform designed to automate communication on your website. Today, I'll be taking a detailed look at how this tool works and sharing my personal experience with it. Landbot.io makes it easy to create and deploy chatbots without needing any coding skills. The platform's drag-and-drop interface is user-friendly, which is great for beginners and experienced users alike. Setting up your first bot is quick and simple, thanks to the clear instructions and customizable templates Landbot provides. You can tailor the chatbot's conversations to match your business needs, whether you're using it for lead generation, customer support, or sales. The customization options are versatile, but they can be a bit overwhelming if you're just starting. Landbot.io stands out in its ability to integrate with a wide range of third-party apps, including Zapier, Google Sheets, and many others, allowing for powerful automation. It's great for businesses looking to streamline their operations and save time by reducing manual work. However, while the platform is packed with features, some users might find the pricing a bit steep compared to other chatbot services. The free plan offers limited functionality, and the paid plans can get expensive if you're looking for advanced features. It's something to consider if you're on a tight budget. Your business is growing, but handling every message is tough? ManyChat takes over, turning chats into sales. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Despite the pricing, Landbot.io remains a solid choice for businesses aiming to enhance their customer communication. It's especially beneficial for companies that require a high level of customization and integration with other tools. While the learning curve can be a bit challenging, the support team is responsive and helpful. So, if you're looking to take your website's communication to the next level, Landbot.io is worth checking out. I hope this review helps you understand what the platform offers and whether it's the right fit for your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews on business tools and websites.